Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily factory lace up the Nike Air Max Plus 3. Let's get started. Thread the lace through the bottom central eyelet. Then, take the right end of the lace and thread it through the right eyelet. Next, take the left lace and thread it through the left eyelet. After that, take the right end of the lace and thread it through the left eyelet. Now take the left lace and thread it through the right eyelet. Continue doing this until the end. Now join the ends of the laces together. Wrap them around your finger. Then thread it through. Adjust the length. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.